MH-CET MBA, MMS Syllabus. The Maharashtra Common Entrance Test, MH-CET, is an entrance exam conducted by the Directorate of Technical Education, DTE, Maharashtra, India. It is conducted for admission to various postgraduate management programs such as MBA, MMS, PGDM and PGCM. The syllabus for MH-CET MBA 2023 will be based on the topics covered in the Common Entrance Test. The topics will include verbal ability, quantitative aptitude, logical and analytical reasoning, general awareness and current affairs. Verbal ability. The verbal ability section will test the candidate's ability to comprehend the meaning of words, phrases and sentences. Questions from this section will be based on topics like synonyms, antonyms, analogies, jumbles, sentence completion, fill in the blanks, idioms and phrases, reading comprehension, etc. Quantitative aptitude. This section will test the candidate's aptitude in mathematical skills. The questions will be based on topics like number systems, algebra, geometry, logical reasoning, data interpretation, etc. Logical and analytical reasoning. This section will test the candidate's ability to analyze, evaluate and draw logical conclusions from given data.